And very much welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to demonstrate how you can use Irish Ohama induction heater. At first you have to connect this Irish Ohama induction heater with your socket, and then you have to connect your socket with the heater through this port. After connection, this one has no port, it has some magnetic induced port. If you connect this to this, then this beep sound will appear. Now you have to press for 10 seconds this one. After 10 seconds beep sound will appear, and this red color indicates it is now on. This one is for stew, and this one is on off. This one is for frying, and the lower button indicates on off, and this one is for cooking or steaming, and this indicates on off. So you have to put your pan over the indicated area, and now you can start with stew. Stew can be done, and there is a timer. You can give timing. After 2 minutes the stew will be automatically switched off. Okay, and if you want to apply frying, then you have to click off the switch of the stew and click on the this is frying, and this indicates the temperature. If you want to increase the temperature, press this one. If you want to cook, then you have to click on off. Cooking automatically sets 170 degrees Celsius. If you want to increase the temperature, just click this arrow. And if you want to give this stew, then you have to off this one, and click on the stew, and you only stew can be applied for the timer. No timer is available for frying, and no timer is available for timing. The cooking has a timer. You can set the timer for the cooking. Okay, in this way you can use the Irish Ohama induction heater. That's all. After cooking, you have to switch off this one, and automatically this will shut down. Thank you for watching. Or if you want to manually shut down this, then you have to click on here. Now it is off.